Welcome to another Mercedes video, my 2009 Mercedes C200, and the ABS problem has come back to haunt me. So, around about the time I got it through MOT, I had the problem, which happened with some heavy rain, and the problem went away. But I lent the car out to the owner of that BMW, which needs a new steering rack. But you know, that's another story, nothing to do with me, and I won't be doing that. I won't be changing the rack on that car. But anyways, he's borrowed the Merc off me. I've only just got it back because the ABS problem has come back, so I'll fire up. Let's have a look. Confirm the problem. Oh, it actually come on when I moved the car here. So, unfortunately, I can't complain the problem. It said it was intermittent. I have had it on, and so what I'll do is I'll scan it for codes and see what comes up. I know what comes up because I did it before. So I've just scanned it. I mean, it's got a load of codes, some of which I knew about, but the ones we're interested in will be, let's have a look, the electronic stability program, the signal component left rear axle, because if you remember I had that problem on the right rear axle, changed the pickup ring, and it's gone. So obviously with right one going, I didn't think the left one would be too far behind, so I'd already bought a replacement pickup ring, and that's what we're going to do in this video. I'm going to replace that. And there's nothing in ABS as such, and there's other issues, but I'm not going to worry about them now. I need to get rid of this ABS ESP problem, because that's the most important one. Anyway, so what I'll do is I'll just clear these. Well, I won't even bother clearing codes. I'll just get to fitting this part. Unfortunately, it's getting a bit late. It's 4:20. I finished work about 20 minutes ago, so losing the light. So I'm sorry if things are a bit dark, but it's just that time of day. You know, it's November. It's November, and the days are getting shorter, and I can only work evenings and weekends. So I'll get tugged up, get my tools, get that wheel off, and then we can get the drive shaft out of the hub. So wheel off. I've undone the hub nut. It's 32mm 12-sided socket for that on this, and you can see I'm going to sorry, I can't show you it one hand, but you see these are three links. That one, these are 3 suspension links. I'm going to undo them, and I'm going to leave the bottom arm and this other arm as well. Sorry you can't see that too well, but yeah, I'm just going to undo the 3 links, the 2 at the top here and that one there. And it's a funny bolt. It's got an 18mm nut on the thread, and the head, it's an M12 triple square, which is this bad boy, M12 triple square. So what I'll do is undo those 3 links. I've managed to push the CV joint out the hub. I'll be able to get out of the hub. I just have to pull the knuckle back, and I should be able to pull the drive shaft off, and then we can see the condition of the ABS pickup ring. So with these 3 suspension arms removed from the knuckle, I should be able to cheat myself enough room to get this CV joint out of the hub. So let's have a look. I've got some suitable screwdrivers. I'm going to knock it in a bit more, but just can leave this out a bit more. I can probably see a bit better. But if I disconnect this ABS wire, just give me a bit more room to play with, I was not going to be able to start levering this out. Not as simple as that, just spray splines of the hub. See if I can knock it out a bit further. So I managed to knock it out a bit further, and you can see ABS ring there. Well, you can see it's laminated, so yeah, I definitely made the right call on this one. So I'm just going to finish getting, and there's mucking in the hub as well, so give that all a good clean out, knock the ring off the hub there, and then just fit the replacement. So I'm still trying to get this out, and yeah, you can see, yeah, it has actually delaminated. So further proof that was 100% the right call. So here's the remnants of the pickup ring, the magnetic bit is delaminated, and the remainder is absolutely crusty. So there's our new one, and obviously I managed to cheat enough room to get the drive shaft out, very tight fit. So what I need to do is I need to clean all this off and then just get the replacement ring fitted. So I managed to get the ring on. Got to make sure all the remnants of the old rings off the CV joint. If it's not perfectly clean, it will go on clean. So it's on. So just a matter of putting this little lot back together. I'm not going to show you this. I did it in the video when I did the other side. So I'll come back to you when it's all buttoned up. So all buttoned up. I'll put all my tools away. We'll get the codes cleared, and then take it for a test drive. Oh, just one more thing I forgot to mention. Handy little tip, it'll cheat you a bit more wrong when you got try undoing the anti-roll bar drop links, and that should get you that few extra millimetres so you can get your drive shaft into the hub. And obviously I torqued them up with the suspension raised up to its working height. Just put a jack under the lower suspension arm and just jack it up until it starts coming off the axle stand, and that way you know the suspension's under load, you know, as if it was on the wheel. And I don't know the torque setting, so I just went with good and tight because it's a German car. So I've cleared the relevant trouble codes. I haven't just done a complete scan and clear. So time to start her up. And I've also cleared the there's a service light saying service is overdue, but I did a service on the car. So let's take it for a test drive and see if ABS light comes on. I've done this for a couple of months, so I can getting used to again. So far, so I've gone my usual test route, and I'll come back to you if anything's you know, if the light comes up. Otherwise I'll be doing my usual ending. So test drive went without a hitch, so confirm fix, and the problem was confirmed anyway, but confirmed that I've fixed it correctly. So that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.